Good evening, everyone, and welcome. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 606. As always, before we begin, we show the local time here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. We just hit refresh on it. It is now 11:09 p.m., my friends. That means we are 7 minutes after the last team Winnipeg would have sold at 11:02. We've gathered all the information, we've put it together, and we are ready to go. This ended Tuesday, September the 20th, for one box of Extended Series Hobby. It happens to be box 10 of 12. We are winding down case number 2. Boxes 11 go tomorrow, and box 12 to finish off the case goes on Thursday. Friday we will be starting a new case number 3. Again, Extended Series, much better than previous years, or last year rather, because it only had one last year was the first year it came out, but it's very good, filled with hits. If you open up the description of the team that you bought, not only will you see this information there, you'll see that serial number there. Why that's important is because you know we are going to open the box we said we would. I'm staring at the same serial number in front of me. We'll be sure to show that to the camera so you know we are opening the box we said we would. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If not, it's okay. I always send the video link via eBay messaging. Now let's go over the rules really quickly, as we have some new guys and some guys returning that haven't been with me for a while. Let's use Abel as an example. He's been with me for a long time. Great guy. He owns the Boston Bruins in this box break. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 24 packs. Each pack contains a hit. That hit, and only that hit, is the card that gets mailed out. So if there are any Boston Bruin cards, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Abel 454 to a shipping address on file. In the unfortunate event, however, that there are no Boston Bruin cards, I'm still going to mark it as shipped on eBay. I have to clear it off the system. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Abel 454 for Boston because there was nothing to mail. That's how box breaks work. I know we paid 65 cents shipping and handling, but that is a small collection from everyone, the amount of product, packaging, and postage that needs to go with all the hits from Extended Series. Email me with any questions you may have. Let's get to it. Abel 454 owns the Bruins. Antro owns the Predators. Bo Lassard has the Stars and the Red Wings. Chowder Style owns the Blackhawks, the Wild, the Penguins, and the Blues. Don Guzman, Oilers, Panthers, and Devils. Flaming J, the Flames, the Flyers, and the Knights. Hockey MC has the Avalanche. Jovan has the Kraken. Montreal Collectibles has the Montreal Canadiens, the Islanders, and the Lightning. Nuxelkman has the Jackets and the Vancouver Canucks. Rockstar has the Ducks, the Sabres, the Hurricanes, the Kings, my beloved Maple Leafs, the Washington Caps, and the Winnipeg Jets. Super Pop has the Coyotes and the Sharks, and X-Ram has the Rangers and the Ottawa Senators. 547-577. Let's remember that as I bring you guys over to the webcam. And before we open, we're going to show that up and close. Oh, way better than that. Sometimes it pops right away, guys, and sometimes it takes a little while. There we go. 547-577. Clear as day, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered, my friends. Here we go. Just want to make sure all systems go. We are box break number 606. Upper Deck Extended Series. Box 10 of 12. Let's see what case hit we have in store for us tonight. It's always exciting to see the anticipation. Good luck, my friends. Here we go. Pack 1. We start off with a Holo FX of Igor Shesterkin, going to Rangers. A premier goalie in the league right now. I would definitely give him top 5. We have a black diamond, single black diamond of Jake Gensel. going to your Pittsburgh Penguins. A Upper Deck canvas, Timo Meier for your San Jose Sharks. Our French variant is always upside down. This time, Alex Chason. Going to your Vancouver Canucks variant Francais. A little bit out of focus there. Still out of focus. There we go. We have a Timo Meier tribute card going to your San Jose Sharks. 4 of these tribute cards per box. One of them does land on a Young Gun, and it happens to be a zinger all the time. That tribute Young Guns checklist is very good. Our first Young Gun is a Raphael Harvey Pinard going to your Montreal Canadiens. That is a nice one. Montreal has a good team. Good young team lining up for tomorrow, this season. Too bad Carey Price, that valuable asset, can't even be traded right now. We have a John Jason Patera. That is also a good one for your Buffalo Sabres. Peterka. Axel Johnson Falaby going to your Washington Capitals. 3 Young Guns in a row. Very nice. A Alex Newhook Holo FX going to your Colorado Avalanche. There he is, a Scott. He is the good one from St. Louis. A Scott Peronovich Young Guns. The tribute goes to your St. Louis Blues. And that is a good player. So congratulations, St. Louis. Right out focus there. What is this? Did I miss the hit? What is this Seth Jones all about? Is this a retro? Let me put those cards back here just in case I gotta go looking for them again. But I believe this is the hit. I do not know. It looks a little weird. I'm gonna set this aside, and if it is a hit, I will be sending it out to Chicago. It looks like it's one of those suit variants or uniform variants. But I'll put that there, and we'll look through this pack later. And again, if it is a hit, I will be sending it out to Chicago. A Boone Jenner Columbus Blue Jacket Upper Deck canvas. It'd be nice if they just put them in suits or sweaters, and that way you know. They do so many different variants, it's hard to keep up. But I'll check later on. We have a Young Guns, a Paul Cotter. Going to your Vegas Golden Knights. A Cam Atkinson. I forgot that he got traded to Philadelphia. Or signed with Philadelphia. Upper Deck canvas. Just going to hit refresh so we don't time out. A Mitch Marner double diamond going to your Toronto Maple Leafs. Very nice. We are still waiting on our case hit. Well, that might be it if it's the suit variant. So I'm not sure. A Josh Morrissey upper deck canvas going to your Winnipeg Jets. A Brett Leeson Young Guns going to your Washington Caps. Still quite a few packs to go. There's our Jordan Kyrou tribute card. Also going to your St. Louis Blues. There is our other tribute card. This time Aaron Ekblad going to your Florida Panthers. Oh, there's a nice little hit. A UD3 coming up, ladies and gents. Let's hope it lands on a superstar. It lands on a rookie variation of it. Rookie Impact. Very nice. Of Tanner Jeannot. Very nice card for your Nashville Predators out of 1,000. Nice card for Nashville. That is a nice card. That is also a box case hit, so congrats. There's our SPX card, SPX Finite rather, at a 2,999. Andrei Shevchenko, going to your Carolina Hurricanes. 3 packs to go, and then bear with me. As we on the last pack, we go back to the main screen. Another Young Gun. This time, Gabriel Fortier. Going to your Tampa Bay Lightning. And on the last pack, we go back to the main screen, show who owns that hit. That way we sign off on the time that way and show the time. A Sam Reinhart, Florida Panther, upper deck canvas. Our final hit, our final pack, our final card to be mailed out goes to, well, it's the SPX Finite card. It lands on Quinton Byfield, going to your LA Kings. So we're going to go find the LA Kings, who owns that last hit, and then sign off with the time. So let's get you guys back. Find who owns the LA Kings. Rockstar owns that last hit. Congratulations. I'm going to hit refresh here. It's now 11:23 p.m., my friends. Thanks for joining the break. Box 11 goes tomorrow night, so hopefully we see you on then. And I will double check this Chicago Blackhawk card. Looks like it's a variant of some sort, and if it is, it will go to Chicago. If not, I'll look through the rest of the pack and see what I might be the hit in that pack. All right, have a good night, and hope to see you tomorrow night.